emotions are a leadership asset. This is what Harvard Business Review says. And I'm happy to say that emotions are not just leadership trait, it's a human asset. Yes, we all are humans. We do have emotions. Then why do we leave these emotions when we are working, we are talking, we are sharing some projects, we are sharing something as an idea? Why? So if you are losing on this emotion aspect, you are definitely losing on your overall growth, which is personal, professional, whatever may you can take it. But the point is, why to leave on emotions which is already there in everybody's heart, mind, soul? The only thing what you can do is to get the best out of it is to understand the human emotions. Yes, that's why there are lots of books written on human psychology, human behavior. There are different books on man psychology, woman psychology, child psychology. There are different behavioral patterns based on all these psychologies of different individuals. Now, as a professional, what you have to understand is you have to understand the actual psychology of your buyer. If you can understand what's the need, what's the pain, what's the story behind the need, what's the story behind the pain or the desire, then only you will be able to connect better. And that is where the emotions come into play. So I'm not talking about the emotional intelligence part of the theory. I'm talking about actually understanding the human emotions raw and clear. You don't have to be louder in voice to understand human psychology. You just need to ask better questions. Once you ask better questions, you unlayer the hidden problem. And once you unlayer, you connect better. And that is the point where you can suggest something good for them. Remember, only suggestion is required. Don't need to pitch and sell anything. You just need to give them the right process or the right idea to take the best of the decisions which you can do. That's it. So if you have any questions regarding this, do let me know.